Bioluminescence. Woo! Fireflies.
Oh, we're doing this. Oh, this is our chemistry final project. It is on Firefly Bioluminescence. Firefly Bioluminescence. Hi.
We are here to tell you and teach you and knowledge,
Just teach.
teach the world about bioluminescence in fireflies. So, bioluminescence is a chemiluminescent reaction. It is a chemiluminescent reaction.
Chemiluminescent.
It is a chemiluminescent reaction, meaning that it gives off light without heat. No heat. No heat at all.
Also known as cold light.
You might be wondering, why do fireflies do this?
They use bioluminescence for the purpose of mating.
You see, a firefly, usually the male, will go around flashing its signal.
They flash to attract their mates. Different species, they recognize other species because of the patterns that they flash. It's like Morse code.
It is.
But more efficient.
Yeah, 96%. Whereas a normal light bulb is only 10% efficient.
96%. Now, Robert, is that an 86% difference, or is that an 86%?
It's an 86% difference.
So how do they do this?
So, the firefly bioluminescent equation is a two-part equation.
It's very complex.
It has 4 elements to it. It uses luciferase,
Luciferin,
ATP,
and oxygen.
We should just explain what these are. These two are just chemicals. One's actually an enzyme, one's a substrate, but basically they're chemicals that just produce light. And the ATP, I'm not going to go into detail here, but it's basically like a battery. It's like a little battery thing. I don't know why I'm drawing a rectangle on my body. And it just helps our body deal with energy and such.
So this is the first part of the equation.
Luciferin and luciferase combine.
Oxygen.
No, not with the oxygen. We have, oh dang it, and it's written backwards.
Oh my god, I can write backwards.
Backwards.
I wrote the entire thing backwards.
So that we could view it on the video.
Ignore that F.
But
just ignore it.
Luciferin, the luciferase, and the ATP combine, and they create luciferyl adenosate luciferase and
Oxygen.
pyrophosphate. No oxygen.
Here's the second equation. This is the second part of the reaction.
Yeah. So, the compound made in the first equation, luciferyl adenylate luciferase, combines with O2 and oxygen.
It oxidizes.
And the O2, the oxygen, steals some electrons from it
To create another compound.
No, it's not a compound.
and combines with the luciferin to form oxyluciferin.
And light.
Yes.
Light. And that is how they flash.
There's two theories.
Two theories about why this happens.
No.
How it happens.
No. A little bit.
So there are two theories as to how fireflies control the flashes. And the first one is called first theory.
There's two theories on this.
Oxygen control theory, which means basically the theory is that fireflies can somehow control the flashes by limiting their oxygen intake.
And the other theory is the
Neutral activation theory. That's the name. Neutral activation theory. That
neural, not
neural.
Neural activation theory, which says that fireflies can just kind of flash on and off, like we can make this flashing on and off gesture with our hands, and they just say, let's do it, and they do it.
We've come to find the fireflies. The jar. Do it again.
Do you see the flashes?
Wait, look. You could see one just then. You could definitely see that.
I think we can't say that no fireflies were harmed during this. There's some oh, look at that.
Oh! Flash.
I have to heavily edit this so it looks like we didn't shake the jar a lot.
No fireflies were harmed in the making of this video.
At least not yet. We should get a light bulb and redo this.
Thank you for watching.
So that's our video.
That's pretty much it. I don't really know what else. It's kind of a, basic.
We can show you these fireflies. They're pretty cool creatures. Yeah, the little yellow part. What's the name called for that part of an insect? The thorax?
Yeah, something like that.
It's not about insects, really. It's just the bioluminescence, so maybe the thorax.
The thorax is yellow, it lights up when they're mating.
You may also have seen it in some deep sea creatures, if any of you have seen the movie Finding Nemo. The thingy with the little bulb that is a form of bioluminescence. Anyway, so the yellow bit of the firefly lights up, and that's where the bioluminescent reaction occurs.
We hope you enjoyed this. Mac and Bob out.
Hello. You're so wet. Zang, 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 zang.
Katy Perry shatter.